being very close to the sun and being close to Mercury, which is also very hot, the temperature can get to 800 degrees Fahrenheit there, means that you need to protect the spacecraft from the heat. So it has a sunshade where the instruments are behind to protect them from the heat. But once you collect the data, the situation is as in any other mission. You transmit it down to the ground and you study the data. But getting the data and protecting the spacecraft and the instruments is the main challenge. The instruments behind the sunshade are room temperature. So you need to do a lot of things to the spacecraft to actually make sure that the instruments are, cool enough and they can collect the data and then transmit it to the ground. One of the difficulties in orbiting Mercury is very hot. So if you get too close, you get, well, it's also close to the sun. So you get the heat from Mercury itself plus the heat from the sun. And if you get too close and you stay there too long, it's very difficult to protect the spacecraft and the instruments from the heat. So basically, it's for thermal control. We spend some time close to Mercury, about 200 kilometers, and then we go far away, 15,000 kilometers, to try to cool off and maintain the spacecraft at the right temperature. Other than the temperature, which is a main problem, then you have to get to Mercury, and that's not that easy. You need to take a lot of fuel, and fuel costs a lot of money, so you need to make it in a spacecraft that is light and strong. So all of these things are not that easy. On top of that, you need to design a mission which gets you there, and the orbital mechanics to get to Mercury are very challenging. We had to do a flyby of Earth, 2 of Venus, and 3 of Mercury before we got to the point where we could actually insert into Mercury orbit. So there are many challenges to get there. We've been flying in this particular case over 6.5 years to get to Mercury. So, the challenges of doing all the trajectory corrections, all the flybys, it takes a special person that knows a lot of, math and dynamics. So it's not a simple job.